Assalamu alaikum students. As already I have discussed about section A, today I will discuss about section B. Now in section B, the question starts from question number 9, and question number 9 is divided into 4 parts. In 4 parts, A is direct indirect, B is synthesis of sentences, C is transformation of sentences, and D is correction of sentences. And in question number 10, you all will have idioms and phrases, antonyms, synonyms, one word substitution, and homophones. Then question number 11. In question number 11, there are 3 parts. Part 1, part 2, and part 3. But in question number 11, you all have only to see part 1, which is translate into English. Now question part 2 and part 3 is not for you. Then come to question number 12. In question number 12, there is essay, and question number 13, unseen passage. Now today I will teach you all question number 9, C part, transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences. In transformation of sentences, there are affirmative sentences, negative sentences, removing to, inserting to, degrees of comparison, as active passive, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence. But today I will teach you all transformation of sentences, removing or inserting to. Now first I will explain removing to. Now see the first sentence carefully. The doctor is too fat to run. Now in this sentence what we have to do? We have to remove to. So what is the rule? So in place of to we have to write so. Clear? And the most important thing which you have to remember is that you all have to transform the sentences but without changing its meaning. सेंटेंस आप लोगों को चेंज करना है लेकिन उनकी इसकी मीनिंग नहीं चेंज होनी चाहिए. तो द डॉक्टर इज टू फैट टू रन. द डॉक्टर इज टू, इन प्लेस ऑफ टू वी विल राइट सो. Fat, and in place of to, see there are two. This two TOO2 and this is TO2. So in place of this two we will write so. Fat, and in place of this two we will write that. Clear? Till here the doctor is, in place of two we have written so. Fat, and in the place of this two we have to write that. Okay. Now after writing till here, till that, we have to write this pronoun. So we have to see who is saying. Who is this? The doctor. Sorry, who is not saying means who. The doctor is too fat. Who is too fat? The doctor. So here we can write he or she, because the doctor may be he or the doctor may be she. I have written he. The doctor is so fat that he cannot. When we are removing to, the sentence too fat to run is negative sentence, but when we are removing it we have to write cannot. When we will write cannot, our meaning will not change. Clear? The doctor is so fat that he cannot run. Then द रिमेनिंग, वॉट इज रिमेनिंग आफ्टर टू, ये टू के बाद जो भी फिर बचा है ये कैनॉट लिखने के बाद हमें उसे पूरा लिख लेना है. नाउ वन थिंग मोर, where we have to write cannot and where we have to write could not. When sentence is or are, we will write cannot, and when the sentence is was or were, we will write could not. Means when it is in present we will write cannot, and when it is in past we will write could not. Clear? I hope you are understanding it. Now the next sentence, now the second sentence I have taken past so that it may be clear to you all. The cat was too clever to be caught. Now see, the sentence is past, it is was. Now the cat was, now you all have already understood that in place of to we will write so. The cat was so clever, and in this place of this two we have to write that. Okay, the cat was so clever that, and what I have told here, we have to see who, the doctor, so we have written he or we can write she. But here the cat means for animal we write it, we don't write he or she. For animal we use it, so we are using here it. The cat was so clever that it, now sentence is past, so we have to write what I told you all, could not. So it will be that it could not, and what is remaining after to, be caught, so we will write be caught. I think so this much is clear for you all. There is more rule, there are more sentences about to, but today only this two rule I will explain you all, and you all have to do these sentences in your copy. You all have to make a grammar copy, and in that copy you all have to write these sentences first, and then from your book chapter 3 transformation of sentences exercise 1. Now in your book exercise 1, the page is 305, the page number may be differ, so you all have to see chapter 3 transformation of sentences exercise 1. Rewrite the following sentences as to remove the adverb to, but as I have already told you all, there are two rules. Now see the first sentence, Sarita is too gentle to harm you. And see the third sentence, the shoe is too big for my foot. Now this is another rule. So only the rule which I have taught you all today, only that rule sentences you all have to do in your copy. And if there is any problem in any sentence, you all can ask me, I will explain it. Okay, thank you for today. I hope you all have understand it. Thank you. Have a nice day.